everybody. This is Fire Guy 437. Welcome to new system test number 14. Let's get started. So I'm back to doing requested system tests. 3 more requested system tests again. And this requested system test was requested by Fedelcode 1003, also known as Vintage Fire Alarm Guy. So anyways, let's get started. Now, down here for the pull stations is Zone 1. He requested the Simplex 4251-20. And up here on Zone 2, he requested the 2999756. And over here on NAC 1, he requested the Federal Signal 450D behind the Simplex 2903-9001 light plate. And over here on NAC 2, he requested the Simplex 4903-9215. This is strobe is 1575 candela. All right. Now, before I start with the test, please do not pull fire alarms in real buildings or tamper with any life safety equipment out in public. I will not be responsible for your actions if you choose to do so. And please do not watch if you have epilepsy to flashing strobes or lights. Vintage Fire Alarm Guy requested the system to be on code 3. So that's what it's going to be on. And to note that both of the NACs will not be doing audible silence, since I have the horn wired up with the light. I have the Federal Signal horn wired up with the light. And the 4903-9215 is only set to do 2-wire operation, and I don't want to cut the jumpers to power everything separately. So no audible silence. But anyways, we're going to start off by pulling the 4251-20. Everybody ready? Headphone users, please turn down your volume. And here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you can see, no audible silence since both of these are doing 2-wire operation. And now we're going to pull the 2999756. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to go ahead and reset the pull stations. Now we can reset the system. All right. And next up, we're going to activate the system sensor i3 with some smoke saber. So anyways, here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hope this doesn't scare the crap out of me. Here it goes. I'm just going to have to go ahead and air this out real quick. And now we can do a system reset. Just gonna monitor that detector, make sure it doesn't go off again. All right, we're good. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and activate the bell. As always, I activate the bell using this key switch right here. So, anyways, we're just going to insert the key and turn it to test, and then the bell will sound. So here we go, and 3, 2, 1. All right, reset the system again. And just like the last video, we're going to end the video off by putting both of these on continuous. Now, again, I will not be sounding these too long because they're actually pretty loud. So, we're going to go ahead and press the drill button. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, this is going to do it for new system test 14, everybody. I hope you enjoy it. Special shout out to Vintage Fire Alarm Guy for requesting his system test. Be sure to check him out. His YouTube channel is now Fedelcode 1003. And as always, be sure to check out my other fire alarm videos. And I will see you next time. And as always, if you'd like to request a new system test, to comment down below in this video or in my collection video what 2 alarms and pull stations you'd like to request. Note that it cannot be the same combo that somebody else has requested unless they want my panel to code them to a different coding option. But anyways, this is going to be it, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Fire Alarm Friday, and I will see you next time.